Hi, Ms.Sonja here for another edition of Virtual Art from the Collier County Public Library. So this weekend, it's the 4th of July, Independence Day. Our eagle, right? He's our mascot for our country. We are gonna make some glow-in-the-dark fireworks in a bottle. You can use a big bottle or you can use just a little water bottle. Today, we're just gonna use a little water bottle. But basically, you're just gonna fill it with everything that you have that's red, white, and blue. So I have these chenille stems that I curled. I'm gonna put some of those in there. Blue, there's a red one. And I have some twirly ribbon, put that in there. Red and blue colors. Then I have some jewels, some red and blue jewels. I'm gonna put those in there. Anything you have that's red and blue, or white, because white is really gonna stand out for the glow in the dark. I have these beads that are red and white. We're gonna put those in there. Little pony beads. I have some pom-poms. We're gonna put some pom-poms in there, red and blue and white, different sizes. Also have some marbles. I have some clear marbles, so those are gonna show up really good in the dark. I'll put those in there. And lastly, I have some stars and some party favors that you put on tables that are red, white, and blue. And I'm gonna put those in there. Okay? And the thing that's gonna make our firework in a bottle is a glow stick. So you can either use the long glow sticks or you can use the fat ones like I have today. I've already broken it, and you wanna break it and put it into the bottle and start the process just right before it gets dark, because you don't want your glow stick to go out. So we'll put that in there, and then I'm gonna take some water and I'm gonna fill it almost to the top, probably about right here. And then we'll put the lid on, and just for safety, we're gonna put a little piece of tape around the top. And then I'm gonna show you my finished product. So, lights off. Look at our firework in a bottle. Lots of fun, yeah? Lights on. Everybody have a wonderful July 4th and make your fireworks in a bottle. And we'll see you next time. Bye.